In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Minecraft fail to connect error. Let's get started. This issue is very common and usually happens because of corrupted launcher files, DNS problems, or VPN related connection issues. First, launch your Windows and search for Settings. Navigate to the option Apps, then click on Install Apps. Scroll down or use the search box to find Minecraft Launcher. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced option. Scroll down until you see the option of Terminate. Then click on Repair, then Reset. This will refresh the launcher and fix corrupted files that may be causing the server connection problem. Next, change your DNS server address. For that, search for View Network Connection, launch it. Now, click on your active internet connection, select the option Properties, head over to the option Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties. Now, click on the option Use the following DNS server and type in 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 in the alternate field. Click on OK. These are Google's public DNS servers and they often fix Minecraft connection issues. Now lastly, check your VPN connection. If you currently have a VPN enabled, try disabling it completely and then relaunch Minecraft to see if the server connections work. Sometimes VPNs block or interfere with Minecraft servers. On the other hand, if the game still does not connect after disabling the VPN, you can also try enabling a VPN and connecting to a different region or country because certain servers may be blocked or restricted depending on a network. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.